please go ahead and get yourself comfortable. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Another deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. A third deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Now just breathing comfortably with your eyes closed. Breathing comfortably, and just imagine that with each breath you take in, you breathe in relaxation and positive energy. Go ahead and imagine a healing light of whatever color you like surrounding your body, so that with each breath you take in, your lungs comfortably draw in that healing light, allowing it to flow through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. Imagine a healing shower flowing down, crystal clear water that's a perfect temperature as it flows over the top of your head, soothing and relaxing your scalp, washing away fear, doubt, anxiety, washing away anger, sadness, guilt, shame, washing away pain, frustration, disappointment, embarrassment, washing these away to reveal the light that you truly are. This unique expression of divine light and love. Allowing more and more of that light to be revealed as that healing shower flows over your forehead, relaxing the muscles in your face, flowing down over the back of your head, your neck, your shoulders, washing away tension, leaving your shoulders calm, comfortable, and relaxed. That healing shower flowing down your arms, all the way down over your fingertips, down over your chest and your stomach, soothing and relaxing, healing and cleansing. And allowing yourself to remain comfortably in whatever position you choose. Allow that healing shower to flow down over your upper and lower back. And as your torso relaxes, your internal organs comfortably do whatever they need to do to achieve and maintain your optimal level of health and well-being in body, mind, and spirit. So that healing shower continues down over your body, down over your hips and your thighs, over your knees, down your lower legs, through your ankles into your feet. And finally, that relaxation flows over your toes as you allow yourself to relax twice as much, going at least twice as deep with each number as I count backwards: 5, drifting down to 4, floating down to 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. Deeper, deeper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. And in this calm, comfortable state of mind and body, go ahead and imagine yourself in some really beautiful place. Some place where you allow yourself to be present to the beauty, the magnificence, the abundance of creation. Some place where it feels very easy to feel joy, to feel peace. And then you imagine that some clouds start coming in. The sky gets a little darker. And just notice any part of you that says, oh, it's less beautiful now. I should feel less joyful right now, less grateful. allowing yourself to be aware of that old programming that says that a cloudy day is a less beautiful day. And those clouds might be other people, those clouds might be situations, those clouds might be physical things that come up. Different things that come up that say, oh, the world is somehow less beautiful right now. And allow yourself to stand in this place and say, I call BS on that. Looking around at whatever you might see, whether it's the beach or trees or mountains, and even though the sky might be cloudy, it's still magnificent. In fact, you can even look at it and say it is no less magnificent because there are clouds. There may be times where you might look at cloud formations and say, you know what, that's even more interesting, that's even more magnificent. Giving yourself permission to consider that things that you have been told in the past should limit your joy and gratitude are misunderstandings. Giving yourself greater freedom to feel peace and joy and gratitude. And it's not about you should. It's not about an obligation that you're wrong for not feeling complete joy and gratitude. It's not about shoulding on yourself like that. You're not wrong for feeling uncomfortable. Just giving yourself permission to know that you're not necessarily wrong for not feeling uncomfortable. It's not that you're wrong for being disappointed if the sky gets dark. But you're also not wrong if you don't feel disappointed. It's giving yourself permission to see the possibility of feeling more peace and joy and gratitude with whatever might be going on. And that doesn't mean just allowing things that are wrong to happen when there's something you can do about that. Always giving yourself permission to set boundaries, to stand up for yourself. And allowing yourself to be aware of where that can be effective and where it might not be useful. And you can give yourself permission to just choose peace. It's even possible to set boundaries while feeling peace. Sometimes we have old programming saying we're not supposed to set boundaries, and so we have to get really angry before we do so. And allowing yourself to feel compassion for your past self that might have believed that, and allowing that to melt away so that you give yourself freedom to take care of yourself, to set boundaries without having to get angry. Allowing yourself to be in certain situations and saying, I feel absolute peace and love, and I'm still saying no to this, that, or the other thing. Because you're worthy and deserving of self-care. And in the process of all of this, still allowing yourself more and more joy and gratitude and peace. As we go even deeper now, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. In a moment, I'll count you back out from 0 up to 5. 5 will be wide awake, alert, focused, and energetic, feeling much better than before. Feeling a much greater freedom to feel more peace and joy and gratitude and fun. Tonight, when you choose to go to sleep, don't be surprised when you fall asleep quickly, soundly, deeply, and sleep very well through the night. During the night, you'll dream. The more you dream, the stronger you become. I'm going to ask your unconscious mind to allow at least one of your dreams to be a very healing dream. continuing this healing process in body, mind, and spirit, so that in the morning, at the time you've chosen to wake up, you wake up easily, feeling refreshed, energetic, and ready to start the day again, powerfully moving forward into an ever more joyful experience of an ever greater abundance of health, wealth, happiness, and love, which are your birthright and which benefit others. And now go back down to zero, which is always deep sleep, allowing your mind, body, and spirit to digest all of these positive thoughts and images, taking them in at a very deep level, so that these positive changes occur easily, effortlessly, and naturally. Coming up to 1, feeling physically relaxed. 2, feeling emotionally calm and confident. 3, health and well-being, enthusiasm, love, joy, and gratitude flowing through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. 4, becoming more and more alert and aware of your surroundings. And 5 is eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. And welcome back.